Hello friends, we are going to read about kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is a edematous malnutrition because of its association with edema, that is fluid retention. It is a form of malnutrition caused by lack of protein in the diet. People with kwashiorkor typically having extremely emaciated appearance in all body parts except their ankles, feet and belly, which swell with fluid. Kwashiorkor is found in countries where people have a limited supply of food. Children with kwashiorkor may not grow and develop properly and may remain stunted for the rest of their lives. There can be serious complications when treatment is delayed, including coma, shock, and permanent mental and physical disabilities. Kwashiorkor can be life-threatening if it's left untreated. What are causes of kwashiorkor? Kwashiorkor is a disease caused by a lack of protein in diet. Body needs protein in diet for repairing injured cells and making new cells. A healthy human body regenerates cell in this way constantly, and protein is also important for growth during childhood and pregnancy. If body lacks protein, growth and normal body functions will begin to shut down and kwashiorkor may develop. What is difference between kwashiorkor and marasmus? Friends, marasmus is a disease where there is deficiency of all nutrients and inadequate caloric intake. That means there will be deficiency of all nutrients including protein, carbohydrate and other nutrients. But in kwashiorkor it is severe protein deficiency, means there will be only deficiency of protein, but there will be normal caloric intake, means there will be normal carbohydrate level and other nutrients. In marasmus there is peripheral edema is absent, but in case of kwashiorkor there is peripheral edema is present. In marasmus hair changes is absent, but in case of kwashiorkor there is changes is common, and hairs is generally thin and easily pulled out. Friends, there is a flake sign which is present in kwashiorkor. What is flake sign? Flake sign is a special change in hair color having alternate light and dark band of colors in hair due to nutritional deficiency. When patient will have lack of protein, then color of hair will be light band, and when the patient will have sufficient protein, then color will be having dark. In marasmus, skin is dry and wrinkled, but no dermatosis. Friends, what is dermatosis? Dermatosis is disease of integumentary system. Integumentary system involve skin and appendages. But in case of kwashiorkor, dermatosis, flanky paints appearance of skin. In marasmus, there is voracious appetite, means the patient will having very high appetite, and in kwashiorkor there will be poor appetite. In marasmus there will be absent subcutaneous fat, but in kwashiorkor there is reduced subcutaneous fat, and in marasmus fatty liver is uncommon as compared to kwashiorkor. Fatty liver is common. Marasmus having better prognosis as compared to kwashiorkor. What are symptoms of kwashiorkor? The symptoms of kwashiorkor include changes in skin and hair color and flake sign positive, fatigue, diarrhea, loss of muscle mass, failure to grow or gain weight, edema of the ankle, feet and belly, damaged immune system which can lead to more frequent and severe infection, irritability, flaky rashes, and shock. There is a very important thing which we should know, that is Wellcome classification. Wellcome classification is very important to know. What is marasmus? Marasmus is weight less than 60% of expected weight with no edema. Means a patient with a age having not proportionate weight as compared to its age, and having its weight less than 60% of patient's expected weight with no edema, it will be known as marasmus. And kwashiorkor will be known when weight will be between 60 to 80% of expected weight of a patient of a particular age with having edema. When there will be no edema, it will come under marasmus if weight will be less than 60% of expected weight. And if the weight is less than 80% but there is no edema, the patient will be known as underweight for age, not marasmus. Marasmus will be only when there is weight less than 60% of expected weight. This is a case of no edema. And in case of edema, when there is a weight between 60 to 80% of expected weight, means less than 80% of expected weight with edema, it will be known as kwashiorkor. But when there is edema and weight is less than 60%, then it will be known as marasmic kwashiorkor. This classification is very important, so we have to learn this. Diagnosis of kwashiorkor. Some tests may be performed on blood and urine to measure sign of malnutrition and lack of protein. Test is done for muscle breakdown and assess kidney function, overall health and growth. Some tests includes blood urea nitrogen, arterial blood gas, blood level of creatinine, blood level of potassium, urine routine and microscopic, and complete blood count. Treatment of kwashiorkor. WHO guideline outline 10 general principles for the inpatient management of severely malnourished children. Point is treatment of hypoglycemia, treatment of hypothermia, treatment of dehydration, correction of electrolyte imbalance, treatment of infection if any infection is associated, correction of micronutrient deficiency, start cautious feeding, achieve catch-up growth, providing sensory stimulation and emotional support, prepare for follow-up after recovery. Friends, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.